Hey everyone! If you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient rice cooker, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 GreenLife rice cooker models, each packed with cool features to level up your cooking game. Let's dive in, starting from the most budget-friendly all the way up to the premium option. Let's go! First up, we've got the entry-level model, the GreenLife rice cooker in cream. This one features a PFAS-free non-stick ceramic interior, which means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup. It holds up to 6 cups of rice, making it perfect for family meals or when you're cooking for a crowd. Its compact design is great for smaller kitchens, and the simple one-button operation makes cooking rice completely foolproof. Now let's step it up a notch with the GreenLife rice cooker in black. On top of everything we just covered, this one comes with cool touch handles for safe and easy transport. It also features precise measurement lines on the inside to help you nail the perfect water-to-rice ratio every single time. And with the automatic keep warm mode, your rice stays hot and ready whenever you are. Last but definitely not least, meet the GreenLife rice cooker in blue haze, bringing everything from the previous models together in one sleek, eye-catching design. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. It also comes with handy accessories like a measuring cup and a rice spatula, making your whole cooking experience even smoother. And that's a wrap on our GreenLife rice cooker lineup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one for more awesome kitchen product comparisons.